Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got an unbagging for you from the company GBFKE. Now, they were generous enough to send this to me to do an unbagging. Now, I do know that there are a couple of items in here that they sent wanting me to show to y'all. So, I know what they are, but I haven't looked at anything. I just needed to get the price so I could tell you how much everything was. So, I'm just going to pull everything out. Okay. Is that it? Yes. I think that came out of that bag. Okay. Now, we're going to go with what I actually ordered first. And then we'll look at what they sent extra for me to share with everybody. Now, with GBFKE, they are running a special right now on their website. And today I am filming this on the 28th of May. So you've got until the 31st to use it. So I'm going to try to hurry up, get this filmed and posted. So you've got a regular toolkit with this, which is a green boat, pink wax, and your pink single placer pen. Here's going to be your drills. This is a very nice canvas. We're going to roll this back just a little bit. And this is what I chose. This is a 30 by 40 pearl painting. Now, I've noticed that these pearl paintings are starting to become very popular and more intricate. Now, I have done canvases years and years and years ago. I mean, they were just special shaped canvases that had a lot of the pearls in it, but they also had the crystals and everything else. These are strictly just pearls. So, again, this is a 30 by 40. There's the item number. Very clear. Apologize for the glare. It does have a schematic on the top right, lower left. There are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There are 20 pearls. Now, this is called Pearl Planet. And it was $8.03, which is really, really reasonable compared to some others, which they do have larger ones that are more detailed, that are a little bit more pricey, but I liked the colors in this. So here's what we're gonna get. Look at that green. Oh my geez, these are just absolutely gorgeous. I'll definitely be coming back with a review. Look at all of those. Because I'm fixing to do this one just as soon as I get done with this video. Because I love it. I love these colors. I just think it's really, really, really pretty. Now, let's see if I can get these back in there correctly. But you really don't need to, because I'm going to do it. Probably along with this other one. Alright, so again, this is called Pearl Planet. And it was $8.03. Alright, so the next one, I thought this was adorable when I seen it on their site. Alright. And again, same kind of canvas. The material type canvas. That makes sense. I know I'm not using the correct wording for what these are made out of, but I don't know. But look at that. Isn't that sweet? This is just adorable. I love the colors. I just thought the image was cute. And look, this would look cute in a little girl's room. And of course, that would look cute in a little boy's room. So there you go. So there's the item number for this one. And this is a 30 by 40 also. And we have got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 colors in this one also. But look at how clear that is. And it's just adorable. So here's these. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's open these. Ooh, and some big old pearls. Look at these monsters. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I don't think I've ever seen any this big in any canvas I have ever done since I have started diamond painting. Them are the biggest honkers I have ever seen. Wow. You know they're going to go there. Alright, let's look at these other ones. Got some red. Ooh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Ooh, just them 3 colors right there is really, really pretty. Then you've got all of these white pearls. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to be doing this one also as soon as I finish that one. Or whatever. I might do this one first. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Alright, here we go. Oh, I got people out there I know yelling at me. Okay, it's good. It's good because I'm going to be doing them, so I'm not worried about it. Okay. So this one is called Pearl House. Did I already say that? It was also $8.03 for this one. Aren't they pretty? They're just gorgeous. Alright, so here's the last canvas that I ordered. Oh my goodness. What is going on with me today? I'm being to open these things. Alright. Now this canvas is a little thicker. Regular tool kit. Now look at the palette. Those are pretty. That pink, that dusty pink, and that like dusty blue. And these are in the little tiny bags. Okay, so this is a little 30 by 30. It is a full round. Now on GBFKE's site, this one is called Flower Bird, and it was $5.70. There's the item number, canvas number. We've got 22 colors, schematic on both sides. And as you can see, it's a little blurry, but that's my camera. That's not the canvas. But the drill field is extremely clear. Alright, so there's those. Well, I guess I can just leave that there like that. Alright, so what they sent me to share with all of y'all First off were these reusable zipper bags. Now, these do come in different amounts, I think. I think these are 30. I think there's 30 in here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, yeah, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30, yes. Alright, so, these are clear. They do have the little zipper on there, kind of like a Ziploc baggie. They're very thick. Very thick. And you can put your drills in here. These pearls, if you wanted to do like a separate, what am I trying to say, storage system, because you know we all have storage systems, most of us anyway, has storage systems for your regular round drills, your regular square drills, your ABs, your glitter, your whatever. These would work great for crystals and them big old pearls, and you know, or whatever. You could put change in it and stick it in your purse. These would be good if you go camping. You could put, you know, your medicine in there and throw them in your bag. Or you go to the beach, you could put little snacks in there. Whatever you wanted to do. So anyway, they do zip shut just like a Ziploc. And for 30 bags, these are $4.53 for 30 of them. So that's pretty cool. These would come in handy for so many things. Absolutely so many things. Okay, so this is the other thing they wanted me to share with everybody. Now, this is the hardware for it. This you would put over your door. And I'm sure that these go on here somehow. We'll find out. Now, this is an over-the-door storage, okay? There's different ones. You can get 24 or 48. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this. You can, you know, put these on here like this and just hang it like on your wall or whatever. Or if you wanted to put it on your door, then you would just take these, put those on there, and then that would go over the top of your door. So what you do is you're gonna roll these up, and these little dividers here, okay, you can just put these right in there. They'd be hanging on your wall or your door, and you would be able to see what you have hanging. You could put it, roll it however you wanted to. I'm just doing a quickie so that I can just show y'all what this looks like. And it's very easy. And once you store all of these, you've got it hanging up, and you decide you want to do one, you just go over to wherever it's hanging, pull it out, unroll it, and there you go. You're ready. And you can put your drills in here, and it fits just fine. And then everything's in there. Your toolkit, your drills, your canvas, it's all right there. When you get ready to use it, want to do this one, you just pull that whole thing out, and you take it and you go. And then you've got all of these stored somewhere out of the way. Nobody messes with it. And you can see what you have. and how many of them. So this is, let me see, it's called the Vinyl Storage. This was only $11.53. That's not bad at all. And, you know, you can get 24 to 48 canvases in these. I mean, that's pretty big. I could get my arm in there. I mean, that's pretty big. And you don't have to put these little canvases. You could put a bigger canvas in there. I mean, you've got that much room. See? So, alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, thank you to GBFKE for sending these to me. Thank you for the extra for me to be able to share it on my channel. I think everybody's going to like this idea. I mean, this idea, honestly, it's been around for years, but I think it got kind of forgotten. And I think they're just bringing it back. So there's those. And then these bags are awesome. I mean, like I said, they can be used for so many things. So, alright, I will have all the links in my description box along with my discount code that you can use at checkout. I don't make anything from the discount code. It's there for you. Alright, so hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you to everyone who's watching, and to GBFKE for sharing. And until my next video, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.